Hi. So, are hair mask and face masks effective? Let's find out today. Hi, I'm Dr. Riddhi and I am a cosmetologist practicing in Gurgaon. And today I'll be deep diving into masks, both skin and hair. Now, we'll start off with skin masks. So, what is the role of a mask? See, at the end of any facial or any procedure, we apply a mask. So, mask is meant to seal your skin. It is meant to, if you want to put some ingredient inside your skin and seal it, so mask plays that role. So, the first kind of masks that are very commonly recommended by dermatologists are clay masks. Now, what is a clay mask? Clay mask is something which has clay or kaolin as their basic ingredient. Now, these kind of masks are drying in nature. They are more preferable during summers because skin is very oily and extremely humid weathers. It works really nicely. They help in reduction of acne and they make your skin a little dry, but they give you a cleansed and clear appearance. Now, please make sure that mask is not the only thing that is going to reduce your acne. It can be used as a adjunctive therapy or a supplemental treatment. At home, you can use clay masks. Now, clay masks are of many kinds. There could be a detan clay mask, there could be a hydrating clay mask as well. Then there could be clay masks which come naturally like your multani mitti. But when we talk about natural clay masks like multani mitti, it can be extremely drying in nature and it can also trigger some allergies. So better to use formulations that are given in the chemist, and always before putting any mask do a patch test on the backside of your ear or on your hands. Now, another very popular category of mask is detan mask. Now, detan mask, like the name suggests, it is detanning in nature. You can use it maybe once or twice a week if you are not allergic. Also, like I said, do a patch test before using this mask. This mask is going to basically remove the uppermost layer of your skin, but it works on a very superficial level. Like, it is not going to exfoliate too much. Just you can rinse your face, it should be slightly moist. Then apply your detan mask and make sure that it is drying for 2 to 3 minutes or maybe 5 minutes. So ideally you should not put your masks beyond clay masks beyond ideally you should not put your clay or detan masks beyond 5 to 10 minutes because these masks, like I said, are drying in nature. They help in very slight reduction of hyperpigmentation if they have an active ingredient like vitamin C, but they are not the only solution for reduction of pigmentation, can be used as a supplemental therapy. Now, one of my very favorite masks that I recommend for nighttime use is something called as a sleeping mask. Now, these sleeping masks are very rich in ceramides and they are extremely hydrating in nature. This is for people who have a sensitive skin, like they have rosacea, psoriasis, or other kind of irritating skin conditions. So what you can do is you can apply the sleeping mask before sleeping, and they are going to hydrate your skin, they are going to add a sheen to your skin, and they reduce the transepidermal water loss. So these kind of masks, one of the major ingredients of sleeping masks are CoQ10, which is coenzyme Q10. So coenzyme Q10 helps in repairing your skin barrier. They also are very rich in hyaluronic acids, which again adds hydration and seals your skin. And they also have licorice in them, and even certain plant extracts like Centella asiatica. So another very beautiful thing that I've started doing for my skin and which I was neglecting for a very long time were my lips. So now I use something called as a lip mask before I sleep, and these lip masks they are of different types. Some are hydrating in nature, some also are depigmenting in nature. So if you're somebody who loves wearing lip colors, lipsticks throughout the day, it is better to apply a lip mask because it's going to repair your skin and your lips in the night time. So we've also created a video on how to treat chapped lips, dry lips, and complete lip care solutions. So stay tuned for that. Now coming to hair masks. See, when the weather is very dry or extremely humid, usually your cuticles swell up and they give you a very fizzy appearance. So hair masks play a very vital role during this time, especially if you are somebody who uses anti-dandruff shampoos or medicated shampoos, so they can be very drying in nature. So we highly recommend hair care masks. Now these masks are to be applied post shampooing, post conditioning, and they have to be left on for good 3 to 5 minutes, and then you have to wash it off. So never leave anything on your scalp, just wash off your hair mask. They give a temporary reduction in frizziness, and over the time we also see that they protect you from the sun's rays, and they seal in moisturizer inside your hair shaft and help in reduction on hair fall also. So having talked about all the skincare, hair care masks today, I would like to talk about some DIYs that you can do at home and that a lot of patients of mine tell me that they've been doing. So one of the very favorite DIY detan mask that is doctor recommended also is something which has maybe 2 tablespoons of besan, a little curd, and 1 tablespoon of haldi. Now make sure that this DIY mask you are first testing on your hand or behind your ear. Do a patch test before actually applying it on your skin. And if you feel a slight allergy or rash immediately after applying, immediately wash it off. Also, don't use this mask daily. It can be used maybe once or twice a week, and this is something which is natural and safe and easily available at home. So, coming to DIYs, I see a lot of patients who do some home care which are not recommended by doctors, like applying acidic things on your face like rice water or tomatoes. So, do one thing, put your comments, your DIY favorites that you are doing at home in the comment box, and let me tell you whether they are the right thing to do or not. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel.